Alright everyone, this is that plant that I have showed my first ever hydroponic paper plant. I'm so excited to show you the final update of this plant, because all the nutrients that I have poured in the plant, that all these fruits, they have drink it. So you see the leaves getting yellow because of there is no more nutrients left, and I have to refill the nutrients. That's why I just wanted to show you another update of this this plant. You see, it's a little tiny plant in a bottle, and how many fruits. Take a look. It's just so adorable. Can you see? Let me show you the root system of this plant. You will understand how big the root system is. Yeah, take a look at this. This is so much fun. Looking you babies growing up. You see the root, all this nutrient it drank already, and there is a tiny little bit left in the bottom of the bottle. Okay, let me pour some nutrients. I have already filled up with pre-made some nutrients in this jar already. I'm gonna pour it now. All right, so I have refilled the nutrient this much, and that part I have left unfilled, because this part of the root will have to be left without the nutrient, because they will absorb the oxygen or air, whatever. Otherwise, if I fill up all the way up to the neck, the plant will suffocate and die. So you see the roots and my lovely first plant. Anyway, as I said, this is first plant, but by now I have at least 30 to 40 plants that they all are grown, and I'm gonna have them all recorded and show you guys one by one. This is the first plant, and that's why I'm keep on showing this one, to inspire you guys, to show you how easy it is to get fruits out of nothing. Thank you very much, and have a lovely one.